All right, guys, it's that time of year again. You gotta bust out the snowblower. In this video, I'm gonna show you the simple steps it takes to make sure your snowblower is ready to rock and roll for the winter. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is check the oil. You can't run a motor on bad oil. That'll only do bad things. So in this case, I actually just gave it a fresh oil change, so this thing is good to go. But if your oil's bad, go ahead and check out my video on how to do an oil change on a snowblower. It's simple and easy, and you'll be able to do it in no time. All right, the second thing you want to check is your fuel. So if your snowblower's been sitting for a few years, you might have bad fuel, and you don't want to run this small engine on bad fuel. So go ahead and pop the cap off. I do have fresh fuel in here, but you want to do is give that a good smell. If it smells like decent gasoline, you might be in good shape. But if it looks like there's separation, or if it smells really gunky, you're gonna want to drain that out and put fresh fuel in. Okay, so you should always have a fuel line shutoff valve on your fuel line. If you don't, then that's another story. But let's assume that you do have it. So you want to do is shut the fuel off, which is always perpendicular. If you have it right here, that means the fuel is on. If you have it straight up and down, that means your fuel is shut off. What you want to do is disconnect this hose, which is going to your carburetor. And then from there, you can stick this into a bottle or receptacle and then turn it on, and you'll drain all the fuel from your fuel tank. All right, now this is the bottom of your carburetor, or the bottom of the bowl. That little small thing right there with the spring on there, that's your bleeder valve. You want to drain all the fuel out of your bowl by pressing that up, and the fuel will drain out of the bowl. All right, and after you've reconnected your fuel line, go ahead and throw some fresh fuel in. All right, next thing to do is go ahead and pull your spark plug. So if your spark plug is in bad shape, you're not going to get proper spark. This one, as you can see, it's still in really good shape. I replaced this at the end of last season, so we should be good to go there. But if it's dark or black or white, and it looks like it's worn down, just go ahead and get the new spark plug. You can buy them on Amazon, you can buy them on eBay. That way you don't have to come in contact with anybody. All right, now that your oil's good, your fuel is good, and your spark plug is good, you want to pop this cover off right here and inspect your belts. All right, and here are the belts with the cover off. What you want to be looking for are any frayed or worn edges, which would mean your belt is wearing out and is probably either going to break or slip off. But in my case, these two were new last year, and the other belt back here is still in pretty good shape, so we're good there. But if your belt is frayed or worn, you want to replace that before the season starts, because you don't want to be caught in the middle of snowblower in your driveway and have one of these things crap out on you. All right, so we made sure the fuel was good, the spark was good, the oil was good, and we made sure the belts were good also. If you're having any trouble with the way your engine is running, check out some of my other videos on how to stop one of these engines from stalling, and also how to install an aftermarket carburetor if that's necessary. But guys, I hope this helped. Make sure you smash that like button if it did. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, leave a comment below, but most of all, thank you so much for watching as always. Have a great day.